still going about 145 by 7 o'clock for tonight. You notice still has it as a Category 4 as it pushes across parts of Cameron Parish up into southeast Texas. The track itself has not moved. It looks like it's still coming over that same piece of land that they've had it over the last few updates. So we're not seeing a jog one way or the other. Look how small the cone is. That track, I think, is pretty locked in. I think that's where we're going to see a landfall somewhere, anywhere around Sabine Pass over towards southwest Louisiana, maybe around Johnson's Bayou as a Category 4, probably sometime after midnight.
Today is August 26, 2020. Hurricane Laura is going to come here in about 12 hours. We'll land around probably 100 miles east of this place. Now you can see the water is pretty rough here. Wow, you can see the water is quite rough here now. Oh my gosh. Quick look. Might be a very good fishing day, but may not be smart to fish now. This is Container Beach. This place is closed. It seems there's a police car is blocking access to the beach.
The track hasn't really changed a whole lot over the last 3 or 4 updates. It's still right there over parts of southwest Louisiana.